In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use OneDrive for Windows, or OneDrive 5 minutes. OneDrive is Microsoft's cloud storage, and it works seamlessly on Windows to keep your files accessible, backed up, and easy to share. Start by signing into your Microsoft account in your browser. Once you're in, open the app launcher, the grid icon in the corner, and choose OneDrive. That takes you straight to your OneDrive homepage, where you'll see recent files and shortcuts to the places you'll use most often. On the left, the navigation panel is your map. My Files is where all your folders and documents live. Think of it as your cloud-based file explorer. You can open, rename, move, and organize items here, just like on your PC. Use the search bar at the top to quickly find what you need, especially if your library is large. Photos gives you a dedicated place for pictures and videos. OneDrive groups them by date and album, which makes it easier to browse memories or quickly locate a specific event. If you use your phone to back up photos, they'll show up here automatically once linked. Shared is your hub for collaboration. You'll find files others have shared with you, as well as items you've shared. This view is great for quickly jumping back into team documents. It's a good habit to glance here to confirm who has access to what, especially for sensitive materials. Accidentally delete something, head to the recycle bin. You can restore items from here with a click, bringing them right back to their original location. If you're sure you no longer need them, you can permanently delete them instead. Keep in mind that items don't stay in the recycle bin forever, so restore important files promptly. When you're ready to add content, use the upload button to add files or entire folders from your computer. Drag and drop works too, which is handy for large batches. Uploading to well-named folders keeps things tidy and saves time later. Sharing from OneDrive is straightforward. Select a file, choose share, and send an email invitation or copy a link. You can set whether people can edit or only view, and you can turn off link access later if needed. OneDrive also connects with Microsoft apps like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Saving directly to OneDrive keeps your documents synced and available on any device, with autosave protecting your progress. Finally, you can sync OneDrive to your Windows computer. This adds your OneDrive as a folder in File Explorer with files on demand so you can see everything without taking up local space until you open it. That's the tour. Sign in, navigate, organize, upload, share, and sync to make OneDrive work for you.